Waiting for the video. Right. In the last class, we were been dealing about chapter number system. In that, exercise number 1.3. Okay. In that, we have finished the second question. So now we have to go for the third question. Okay. The third question is, express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. It means there is a one rational number that should be expressed, here it is one of the decimal number that should be expressed in the form of P by Q. It means any rational number form you have to make. They have given a decimal form, okay, but their Q should not be equal to 0. In that way, we need to represent. Okay, in that given first question is 0.6 bar, correct? So in this 0.6 bar, we can let us assume let 0.6 can be x is equal to 0. This 6 bar refers 6, 6, 6, 6 and so on, correct? Yes, children, you have been learned, no? When you are representing a decimal expansions, okay, which kind of a number it is? Recurring decimal, okay. This is to be made in the form of P by Q. It is a question, okay. So it is the first one. We can make it as a equation number 1, okay. So we want to convert it into the P by Q form. So that is the reason now we can multiply this one by 10. Sir, why we have to multiply with a 10? It may be a question for you. See, it is recurring with a 1 digit, no? So we have to take a 1 0. It means in front of a 1, if we take a 1 0, that will be 10, right? So we have to multiply that one with a 10. So multiply both sides by 10. If we multiply both sides means here it is the left hand side, it's a right hand side. Both the side you have to multiply with a 10. Okay, why you multiply with the 10? You have to write a reason. That is because one digit is repeating. One digit is repeating. Okay, like this, if you write a reason, that is well ended. Okay, so now when it is multiplied, this x is, it is multiplied with the 10, what I am going to get? X into 10. Here it is 0.666 and so on into 10. How much we get? X into 10 is 10x, 0.6 into 10. So as we have only 1 0, this decimal shift towards the right side by 1. By that time it is going to become 6.666 and so on, correct? So we are going to take this as a second equation. Okay, initially it is the first equation, this one will be the second equation. Now what we have to do is, we have to subtract equation 2 minus 1. Okay, equation 2 minus 1. Where is the equation number 2? This one. So here what is there in the LHS? 10x. Here what is there in the LHS? X. Okay, so now here it is there in the RHS 6.666 and so on, minus in the first equation it is 0.6666 and so on. Okay, so we have to subtract this. Okay, when I subtract these variables 10x minus x, I am going to get it as a 9x. Okay, here when I subtract 6.666, in that if I subtract 0.666, what I am going to get? Just 6 I am going to get, correct na children? So then next I want to put is x. X is equal to 6 divide this 9 will go to the denominator, that will be 9. Now this value has come in the rational form. So therefore P is equal to 6 and Q is equal to how much? It is 9. We have been shown in the form of P by Q, children. Understood? The second question is 0.47 bar. It is there bar only to the 7. This is very important, children. Unfortunately, if you make it as a 4, 7 both, it will be very headache. Okay. So now we have to go for the first step. What we need to do? Let us assume this. Let x is equal to 0.477777 and so on. Why? Because the bar is only to the 7. Okay. So the next what we need to do is we need to make this as the equation number 1. Okay. Multiply both sides by how much? By 10. Why? Because only one digit is repeating. Multiply this one with a 10. Okay. So when I multiply, what I am going to get in the LHS? I am going to get in the LHS as 10x. I do not go for one more step. Directly I write it as a 10x. So for this, if I multiply with a 10, what I am going to get? I am going to get 4.777 and so on. Correct? This will be the equation number 2. Okay, children? Understood now? So this is the equation number 2. Next thing is we have to make equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. Okay. So equation 2 minus 1. In this what we have to do? The second equation is this one. That is 10x minus x. Okay. So what is there in the which one? RHS. Equation 2 means this one. That is 4.777. Okay. And so on minus what is that? 0.4777 and so on. Okay. So then next see children, 10x minus x, that is 9x. So now carefully you have to subtract, children. Okay. So check it out. I am going to do it in a working column. This is that like a 4.777. Okay. So that is a minus 0.477. Okay. So when I make a difference of it, 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Okay. Point. As usual you have to put. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. The total answer we can write it as 4.3. The zeros can be skipped off. Okay. So the one answer I am going to get 4.3. Okay. So the next what I am going to get? X is equal to 4.3 divided by 9. So again we have got a decimal number. No. So we want to remove decimal means what I need to do? I need to multiply this one with a 10. Why? Because the decimal should shift by one digit. No. So at the end what I am going to get here? 43 divided by 90. It is there in the form of P by Q. So that I can understand, I can write therefore P is equal to 43 and Q is equal to how much? 90. Understood, children? Yeah, children. Now we can go for the third question. See here, what is given? 0.001. Okay, what we have to do the first step? We have to assume let x is equal to 0.001 bar. Okay, so we can show that as a x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and so on. Correct? Why? Because 001 is repeating. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to make this as the equation number 1. Okay, then next, what is our work? It is to be multiplied with something. Okay, what is that something? It depends upon the recurring decimals after a decimal point. How many are here? 1, 2, 3. If there are 3 zeros we need to take means it will be 1000. So multiply both sides by 1000. How many thousand? 1000. When I multiply both the sides by 1000, at the left hand side I get as a 1000x. Correct? So then next, here what I am going to get? If I need to multiply means these decimals should shift towards the right side by how much? 3 digits. So it is 1, 2, 3. 3 digit if it has gone means it will come over here. So it means here we are going to get it as 1.001001. Correct? Like this it is going to repeat now. So and so on. This is the case when it is multiplied. How we are going to make it? So the next step is to make, yes, this is the second equation. Okay, the second equation it happened. So the next what we have to do? Equation 2 minus 1. Okay, what is the equation number 2? It is at the left hand side 1000x minus how much? What is the equation number 1? X. Okay, is equal to, what is there here? 1.001. Okay, 1.001001 and so on minus, what is there here? Yes, 0.001001 and so on. Okay, when I subtract, what I am going to get over here? Here I am going to get 999x. Okay, so this one, subtract it out. We are going to get just 1. Okay, so if I get 1, so I want to find out x. X is equal to 1 divided by 999. Okay, why? Because this multiplication is going to become a division if it goes to the other side. So, okay, therefore, P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to how much? 999. Understood, children? Yeah, children, I think you have been understood this one all completely, clearly. For any doubts, you can call and contact me. Okay? Bye, children.